Hello everyone! Today I want to present it to you a very special product. If you don't know, I'm a professional web and graphic designer, and last year I taken a part in amazing project. I developed my brand style for young luxury skincare brand Lumiviva from Australia. And they sent me one of their set that I did design it. So here we go. For this brand I developed my logo style, box design and the jar labels. So today I will show you how it looks in the life. Let's see what inside. Skincare set goes in the white box with beautiful blue stripe. On the cover we see brand logo, and when we open the box we can see a brochure. It's include information with description of the serum and ingredient info, and also we can read about the brand. Inside the box we can see set for day and night skincare. If you see, it's in beautiful blue jars with minimalistic design labels. Serum has a very gently and soft smell. I really like them. If you are interested, you can visit a brand website. It's lumiviva.com. All links to their social media I will leave in description. And thank you for the watching, and see you in the next time. Goodbye.